Hello everyone, this is my honest review of the Graco 4Ever DLX 4-in-1 car seat. I actually have two of these. You can see one's right here, the second one's right there. So both of my children, ages 2.5 and under, use these seats. My wife and I absolutely love them. A lot of features about these that I really like. Installation is very, very simple. Basically, you've got one strap that hooks in here, and then by pulling up the fabric on the bottom, you can see it goes all the way across the car seat through these latches, basically securing the strap to the car seat, and then the other one clips into place back here, just giving you another perspective on this side as well, right there, and then the same thing on that side. So installation, like I said, is very, very fast. That's one of the reasons we really like these. Also, is because we travel with these. We can remove these, throw them in a car bag, fly, and install them in a rental car, no problem whatsoever. Very, very simple to do. Now, these are called 4-in-1 car seats because they're used for 4 different configurations. Obviously, both these are currently rear facing. As our children age up in size and weight classes, they'll become forward facing, and then from there, it'll become a booster with basically a headrest and then ultimately just a booster seat. So we love the fact that we can invest in one quality car seat that will be with our children as they grow, instead of having to buy one car seat and then upgrade and spend more resources on future car seats. So that was a great selling factor for us, along with a lot of others. Just quality-wise, fantastic quality. Obviously, we're not going to put our kids into something that we don't like, so we really appreciate this. I love the fact as well at the bottom, you can tell it gives you basically a guide in how to face and which direction and which of the 4 different seating positions to position the child, which is very nice as well. But overall, like I said, a very, very sound quality car seats. You basically, in terms of the child, position them in here. You've got shoulder straps that go over their shoulders. It will buckle around their chest, and then a secondary buckle that comes in and buckles right here. And then you can tighten it by pulling this strap right here, just like I did. In order to release, just press on this, and you can also press on, there's a button right here. You press, and that basically allows you to pull on the straps, loosen it, and pull your child out. We are extremely satisfied with these. I know it's very difficult to understand just this quality unless you've seen it, you felt it, you've played with it some via video, but I would not buy 2 of these if I did not have complete confidence in this product. I would not entrust my child or my children to a car seat, like I said, that we do not have complete trust in. We just love our children so much. We are beyond satisfied with these. We have had 0 bad experiences with them. Just quality, sound, durable. Thank goodness we've not been in any accidents yet, so we haven't had to, quote unquote, test them in an unfortunate accident environment. But just from everyday driving, our kids seem comfortable getting them in and out. It's very, very easy to do so. So I love the height. I love just everything about these. Not too terribly heavy either. And like I said, removing these, moving them to a secondary car is a very simplistic process. So that makes these just a nice selling feature as well.